What's good, YouTube? It's Kevin Juice. I'm finna be talking today about collecting shoes and probably give you some tips. Let's get it. Tip number one would be don't feed into the hype. Buy the shoe that you like. That's rule number one. Another tip would be buy an everyday shoe that you could beat up and something that's less than $100. Cause me personally, I ain't wasting no money on expensive shoe just to wear it every day, and that's just not me. Another tip would be something that cleans your shoe. Maybe like Jason Mark or just water and soap and this brush. Another tip would be start collecting shirts. Calvin Klein, Nike shirts, Tommy Hilfiger, or H&M shirts. Another tip would be learn to be more color coordinated. Like the rapper Conceited, he wears all the retro Jordans. He's very stylish. Right now he got the jersey. What else he got? Let's click another one. See how he matches the colors? This one he killed. But then you got people who do not know how to match colors. People that wear like rainbow hair. I don't know. Maybe like, I don't know, there's just certain ways he dresses that's not so matching. Like, that's a lot of different colors right there. I ain't talking about his hair. Right here, obviously he can't dress. And then let's click another one. Let's click that one. What the hell? Them colors do not match. Do not do this. Another tip would be using Instagram to use hashtags or post your pictures. Me, I like to put on like kicks of the day and just scroll through the pictures. And it gives me an idea of what they look like, or maybe I have them and he rocked them a little different and maybe I can copy it. That's just me. Another tip would be looking up the shoes that you like on feet on YouTube. And probably you won't like them when you see them on feet. Never know. But it gives you a good idea what the shoe looks like. They give you more details on them. I have some own videos on here. My last tip of this video is going to be do not wear your shoes on a rainy day. Look up the weather, see what the weatherman's talking about, then you go on. Because if it's a nice sunny day, you can wear whatever shoe you want. But if you're going to wear it on a rainy day, trust me, it's going to ruin your shoes. Thanks for watching Kevin Juice video.